Clarence, come here. Come see Mama.
I'm talking about today's show, the one with the butcher. Do we need anything else?
Yeah, what's she doing, pretty baby? That Mama pretty baby bird. Oh, yeah. Say him loves. My Mama rubs his head and his neck. Oh, yeah. See, that's the good stuff right there. See, that's the stuff that makes him go to sleep. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Come here.
In the middle of the group stood a man staring him down. That man was his very own son. Let's all give this family a chance because understanding others is...
Yeah, they're gonna put you to sleep. Yeah. This is when you usually lay on my chest and go to sleep, huh?
Hello.
Clarence, can you say hello? Hey, people.
There's no way to forget that. You really thought I would?
Are you sure you want me to answer that?
Okay, yeah, I got it. Anything else?
Don't be late, please.
You wanna play?
Thanks a lot.
You wanna play? Come here. You wanna play? Come here.